Hi friends, this video shows how to create dual apps and use. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So here you can see one WhatsApp app. I am going to clone this WhatsApp and create one more WhatsApp app. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select apps, select dual apps, and here we can see WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp, tap here and enable dual apps. Tap here, you can see dual app created. Go to home screen. Now we can see two WhatsApp apps. So now I have successfully cloned WhatsApp app. Let me open this first app, first WhatsApp. This is a default WhatsApp which I installed from Play Store. Let me open the cloned WhatsApp app. So this is the WhatsApp app which I cloned. See, now I have opened two WhatsApp app. We can use two WhatsApp accounts. So this way we can create dual apps. So next I will show you how we can uninstall that cloned WhatsApp. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select apps, select dual apps, then tap on WhatsApp. Here we can see enabled. We can tap here and uninstall this cloned WhatsApp. Tap here, then tap on OK. Done. Dual app uninstalled. Let me check. Go to home screen. Here you can see right now it shows only one WhatsApp. So this way we can create dual apps and use. Please check it.